Hi guys and welcome to
Swag Supercars. Today we're at the car show. I hope you enjoy this video. Get out of my shop.
the Buntingford car show. There should be some awesome cars there. I hope you guys enjoy the video. We're going down the Spider. There should be some more cool cars there, and I'm going to meet my friends as well.
Best friends forever and ever.
So, as you can see, we've parked up now. I'm just going to go head to the end of the street and then record all the cars from there. He's got that, I want to look cool but I don't want to touch the car kind of pose.
Check out that hover hand.
Go for it! Or not. Oh, I think it broke my mic. Oh,
Great banter! It really is.